What if the cooking oil in your kitchen could power an entire industrial revolution? That's exactly what Myande has achieved. Starting from simple kitchen concepts, we've transformed them into massive industrial-scale production. Now we operate plants processing up to 6,000 tons per day, turning ideas into reality with precision and efficiency. Our turnkey solutions cover everything from design to delivery, ensuring quality and performance every step of the way. But here's the real question: how can we help you scale your vision from concept to global impact? Let's build the future together.